How to make a table in Excel. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Excel. Simply select the area you want to create table of. After you've selected, you will find Format as Table in Styles options, which is above Cell Styles, and then below Conditional Formatting. Click on Format as Table at the top. You'll find all these options. Simply select the one, or you can also create new table styles. I'll simply select the one from here. After you select the one from here, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on OK. After you click on OK, it will be formatted. As you can see, it's formatted to blue color in mine. If you need to add a new column, you can simply type anything you want and then press on enter. Table will simply expand. As you can see in my new column, there is table. You can also select the area and go to table design at the top. In table design, you will find all these options.